Targus and its Hyper brand have some great ideas for the holidays. Welcome back to Techstination. I'm Fred Fishkin. Joining us from Targus is David Dorantes. Hi, David.
Hi, how you doing?
Great. And from the Hyper side, maybe she's not too hyper, but Gabi Iorio. Hi, Gabi.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Great to see you too. Well, David, we can start with some of what's new on your end, I think, including a new travel backpack. Tell us about it.
Yeah, we're pretty excited about this one. So Targus has historically been known as a very good quality, great quality business backpack with a lot of utility. So what we've done is we've now added new travel elements to it. Now, in the past, we have had some travel elements like a trolley strap, ergonomic shoulder straps, and things like that. But now what we've done is taken a backpack and added a clothing compartment. So with a lot of things happening in the world and changes in travel behavior, people may not want to carry around their carry-on because if they go to the airport, maybe they're asked to check it at the gate. So what we've done is made that backpack into an area where you can actually put your clothing in there. It has a clothing strap to keep things down. And then if you don't want to use it as a clothing compartment, then you could go ahead and switch it over to a business backpack by removing those straps. And now you can put your folders, your binders, or whatever tech accessories you have in that area.
So, work, school, travel, you've got it all covered, it sounds like.
Yeah, and we think of it as a modular solution. It works how you want it to work. So if you're just commuting, doing your hybrid work environment, it works like a business backpack. Or if you're traveling and you want to carry on maybe a day or two's worth of overnight clothing, you can do that and you don't have to, you can leave the carry-on at home.
And you folks are known there for helping to protect notebooks and other kinds of technology, tablets. So I'm sure this is all built in, and you've got RFID protection too.
Yeah, a lot of protection elements. You mentioned the RFID for sure. We also have a sling protection system inside. What that is basically a hammock for your laptop. So when if you were to drop your laptop bag, and it won't bottom out because the laptop is suspended. So it's not actually going to hit the ground.
What a great idea. You have some other products or categories that we can put into our great gifts list?
Yeah, I mean, we have some travel docking solutions that we're launching here. We have our little portable docking solution here, which is a dual video docking station. It also has USB-C power pass-through, so you could always keep it charged, or it's bus powered, where you don't have to connect it. You can just have your laptop power the device. So it's great for travel. If you have a whole you could create a workstation by having dual video monitors on your laptop, and it fits right in the pocket of a backpack.
And if somebody's got a new notebook or something, this would be a great gift because people know the need. So either the backpack or the dock. And moving
Yeah.
over to Hyper, Gabi, things are on the techier side there. Give us the overview of what's new there.
Yeah, so we've got a couple of new products that have launched fairly recently. So we've got a new backpack to add to our existing range. So this is built on an existing backpack that we had, the HyperPack Pro, that launched a couple of years ago and was hugely successful globally. So we have now added a slightly smaller version to the lineup, but it is definitely improved upon. So this retails at $89.99. It's live on our website currently, and we've got a couple of promos running on that over the holiday season. So we've got kind of key main features and benefits of the product. We've got a weather-resistant exterior. It's made from a recycled PTE polyester material and made from 20 recycled different water bottles. We've got the power pass-through charging through the backpack, so you can pop your battery pack into the backpack, connect it up to a cable, and be charging your devices when you're on the move. A whole range of different anti-theft security elements in there, so things like hidden back pockets, interlocking zippers, and things like hidden pockets at the front to keep your keys in, etc. Yeah, a really great backpack, really nice addition to our lineup, and it really does look a really nice premium backpack. And then to sit alongside that, we've also recently launched our universal Find My Locator. So a little locator module, very similar in size and shape to the Apple AirTag, but the main differentiator here is that it is compatible with both Android Find Hub networks and also the Apple Find My network. So dual compatibility against all devices. Yeah, a really great product, fits perfectly into our HyperPack. So the HyperPack comes with an integrated silicone tracker pocket. So you can pop the tracker into the backpack, have it in there, and then obviously locate your belongings wherever you might be traveling, whether that's on the go. It's got a 50-foot Bluetooth range in there. Obviously, it works with both Apple and Android devices. Loud sound alerts that you can hear from really far away, and even when you're in noisy spaces even. And then a last known location position, so you can check the app to see where the bag was last located. So both of these are available to ship now and available on our hypershop.com website. And then we've also in the process of launching our HyperSpace Trackpad Pro. So this is currently available on Kickstarter. So the campaign on Kickstarter has ended, but you can still purchase it if you want to. We've got a couple of different bundle opportunities that are still available. So I think you can buy a bundle where you've got 2 trackpads or a trackpad and our existing SSD enclosure. So this is the world's first premium trackpad that's designed specifically for Windows products. Kind of key features and benefits of this product are the fact that it's got 240 hertz report rate, so it are very, very sensitive to touch. Even just the lightest touch, you're going to get a response back from it. You've got things like Gen 3 piezo haptics in there, so it replicates the feeling of a click back to the user. So when you're clicking on the trackpad, the user will feel like they're clicking when they're using a mouse, but there's no click actually happening. You can customize all aspects of it. So a main kind of point on the trackpad is that it comes with supported software. So our HydroConnect software is really what elevates it up from a standard input trackpad device all the way up to a really premium trackpad. So all aspects of that are completely customizable so that the user is really able to create a trackpad that works for how they want to work and all of their different workflows throughout the day. You've got smart palm rejection on there, so if you accidentally swipe across it, it's going to be able to filter that out and will only register when your fingertips are touching it. And the ability to click anywhere on top of the trackpad, so there's no dead zones in there. You'll be able to click absolutely everywhere on there and get a response back from it. And then because it's been built specifically for Windows, you've got all of the optimized Windows gestures in there. So full Windows gesture compatibility has already been built into it. So a really great, exciting product. There's huge white space out there in the market currently for this. There isn't currently a Windows-based premium trackpad available. There's got things like premium haptics, etc. So yeah, we're excited to bring this to market. So you can purchase it now through Kickstarter, or we'll be launching live on our website towards the end of Q1.
And when will it be shipping, Gabby? Do we know?
Yeah, around the end of Q1.
Just terrific. And I know this is really for both of you. I know, and you alluded to it a bit, but the company have really focused on sustainability with a number of the products out there. Tell us more about that.
Targus has been really one on the forefront of sustainability, at least in our area. Since 2008, we launched our first backpack made with recycled plastics. And that was done with our spruce backpack. And since then, we've grown our different products that we've had with different recycled components, moving on from bags to even now tech accessories. We've been able to remove 37 million water bottles from landfills since 2008. So something we're really proud of. And as we start venturing into our tech accessories, like the product I showed you earlier, this dock is made with 75% post-consumer recycled plastics and aluminum. And on the Hyper side, we've also been doing that because they were the ones who launched the docks for us with recycled plastics and aluminum. And now they continue to do that and double down and expand that lineup.
Just terrific. And I know you will both have a lot more coming announcements at CES next month, so we'll be staying tuned for those. The sites for people to go to for more info, where should they head?
Head on over to targus.com.
And hypershop.com on the Hyper side.
Hypershop.com.
Yep.
Gabby and David, thank you for spending time with us.
All right. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.